guys, VC10 Aviation here, and today I'll be making a brand new episode on how to make a custom model. So this is the Jetstar A320 by Phoenix. So this is in the 10th anniversary livery, so this is the orange livery. So this aircraft I'm going to be making into the Easyjet 200. I know this livery is no longer, but the Easyjet 200 A320. So yeah, it does have its challenges. It does have its sort of, shall I say, it does have its challenges. It does have its of making the model. I have got the decals. Well, I haven't got the decals at the moment, but I've got them. So this aircraft is registered Victor Hotel Victor Golf Foxtrot. Sorry about that. I was getting muddled up there. So yeah, so this I think was a 2014 race, but never mind. I'll just showcase the model. So here's the model itself. We've got the aeroplane. So is this going to be a difficult model to make? I really there's going to be a few things. It is going to be maybe quite a technical sort of custom to make, but hopefully it pays off. So here we have the aeroplane. So I'm just going to go through the aeroplane quickly. So we've got so these titles here will be removed. I will plan to keep the sort of flight deck windows, and I'll aim to keep the other parts of the aircraft as well. Any other parts of the aircraft I do plan to take off. I don't know if I'll try and keep the baggage stores as well, but all this and the underside will be sort of removed, and then the engines, the actual aircraft, this does not have the right engines. So this is a 232 A320, where the aircraft what had the 200 livery. This is actually been re-registered. So this is Hotel Bravo Juliet X-Ray India, I think could be, or what it was known in Easyjet services, Golf Echo Zulu Uniform India. This aircraft is an A320-200, and it has CFM 56 engines. This has IAE V2500 engines. So this is not too correct for the custom, so I will try and get the engines off. I have saw some spares CFM engines from an older model which is slightly broken, so I have sort of found some from there. I have removed them from the aeroplane, and I do need to paint them orange, and yeah, so this one is so I do plan on removing these engines, but if I can't, I can't. If I can, I can. There is going to be a thing that there's a chance that this custom is not going to be 100% accurate as what is, yeah, you know what I mean, is sort of planned to be. Only in the aspect there is a few things like the IE engines, if I can try and get them off, I do plan to, but it's one of those things that it's going to be a challenge for sure, getting them off, but hopefully I can get them off. They should be an easy, sometimes it should be an easy engine to get off. So yeah, so the next episode will be about the decals. When they arrive, I got them from a new place this time. Instead of V1 decals, I managed to get them from Draw Decal, which I've never used before. I've heard quite a lot of good things about them. They've got quite a lot of Easyjet decals, so I've got them from there this time, which should be interesting to see how their decals work. But yeah, so this that has been this has been part one. I will do it in stages. It depends how long it takes me to make the custom. At the moment I have been slightly sort of delayed with things like models roundup and things due to work. There's and stuff like that. So there will be airport update out in July at some point. I do plan to get one out. It should be soon. Before it shouldn't be too long before I get it out. Really, the airport. There will be one for August as well. I am going to keep to like sort of one airport update a month in July and August as well. Only in the aspect primarily because there's I do want to sort of work on the airport a bit more. I am mainly focused on the schedules at the moment, so I am looking at sort of making the schedules a bit more. So this is going to be a bit of a challenge, but yet again, hopefully it pays off. But if it doesn't, then do be prepared with this model. It could still have the IAE engines, which is better than nothing, really, isn't it? I guess it's better than nothing. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and goodbye.